So we were just passing by, and then we happened to see this beautiful garden of roses, button roses, and then we asked the lady if we can buy for some amount, small amount, and then she said this time it wasn't good, and they did not get the proper rate for all these roses due to lockdown. And she said you can take how much ever you want for free. We are at the center of this rose plant, rose farm. See this much rose is waste, completely waste. They're going to pluck it and then dump it. So this is because of the lockdown and the prices. They weren't getting good prices for these roses. That's the reason why it is getting wasted. Hopefully next time they will be able to get some profit. Look at these roses, so beautiful roses, and they are just discarding it. So hopefully we will be able to make some use of it. How are the flowers? I know they are discarding it, so hopefully we'll be able to make some use of it. Just put it, Shaji, on you. My request to anyone who is staying near villages is that you approach those people who are growing fruits, vegetables or flowers by yourself and try to buy from them directly. This will help them cope up with this COVID. If you're a little bit away, ask any of your friends who are staying nearby. This would be really helpful. This is how we can go. This is how we can help each other. Look at these flowers. Look at these beautiful innocent flowers. What is the mistake of these flowers that they are not being used at all? You see, faded color, then still you can use it. What is there in that? It's not like God will not accept. So it's not only about flowers. There are many vegetables that are just getting wasted in this place. So we are just nearby. We are near a village area, so it's convenient for us to come inside this village and then have a look at this natural beauty. And it's all a farmland here, and this is the only thing that we have seen so far. There are other things also. There are vegetables also that are getting wasted because people are not getting the price that they are looking for, and there are no buyers as well, most of them. And so I'll put the link. I'll put the Google map location of this place. If you're somewhere nearby in this Kodlur area, you can come here all by yourself, and maybe I'll talk to some of them if some people are interested to come here and then buy. And please do not break the rules of this lockdown. If you're nearby, if you're near in this area or in this village, only you can come. That is my suggestion. I wouldn't ask you to just come out of the house and try helping people. In that case, it will be vulnerable to you and your family as well, and to the people who are living here. I'm just in this village. That's the reason why we have come. It's not quite far from. It's maybe 1.5 kilometers. I'll just put the link in the description, location in the description. So many God. They are kind enough to give us. We asked them for. We actually came here to purchase, but they gave us freely. Kind enough they were. So Shivaji, tonight you're going to have nice vegetable feast. We saw this and then we came inside. A lot of them inside. Villagers' life, you ask them that we are going to buy, but then they're going to give you it for free. This is how it is. And this is the rose garden there, rose farm. Two things we saw on our way, and both the things we got it for free. You don't expect to get it for free every time you come here. It was just that we came here at this time that they don't have sales, and they were kind enough to give us. Passing through any villages and you see this kind of a cliff from the road to this, that definitely means that there is water on the other side. See, there's water here, water source, little bit of water place, water left out here. The entire thing is completely dried and nothing much is grown. That means there is a lot of water here, water resource. This is so much better than so many overhyped sunset point. There is the sun.